Responding to Imam Hassan alayhi salam's message, KK Sirah tutorials on the 15th of Mahe Ramadan. Miqdad and Faris in the ocean group. Divine recipe to make us a Kawthari and not a Takkathori. By Kawthar is meant lots that can be enjoyed to the brim. Takathor too means lots but accompanied with greed. Pleasures from it will never satisfy us because the intention is to hoard and hoard. Can you see all these attractions around? If these are attractions, then where are distractions? Shariat, the divine help. Shariat is our police. It allows me to keep a check in not making these attractions into attachments. Social media, electronics, picnics, good food, yes, these are all needed as well. But Shariat decides for me how much of it is needed. By Shariat, I mean Hajj, Saum, Salat, the Furuz. So should I stay satisfied on performing them, or there is still more to add to it? Well, you are a winner if you are able to build your character out of it. Shariat therefore comes to help me decorate my soul with generosity, honesty, to be grateful, to be patient. Blessings descend upon us all 24/7. My trial in this world is to enjoy the blessings, and max flavors can be enjoyed only if I don't stay attached to it. Let's invite my brother Faris and make the scenes more clear. Miqdad: Faris, I have some sweets for you. Faris: wow, I love sweets. Miqdad: how much do you think you can eat? Faris: probably 2. Miqdad: okay, help yourself. Faris picks 2 and says Bismillah and enjoys while eating. Miqdad: Faris, I have an activity for you. Miqdad gives an activity book with colored pencils. Now a distraction comes. Faris gets busy, a platter of sweets right so close to him, but Faris is busy and is not attracted towards it, hence the question of attachment doesn't arise. Had Faris reacted when given the activity by doing the activity and pulling the tray towards him, then Faris becomes a Takkathori, which means the activity was not able to distract him from those sweets. Let's enjoy the Shariat because it has permanent flavors to offer. It can make us Kawthari. And a Kawthari never ever makes friends with dunya, with something that is so temporary. Be a Kawthari. It's a smart and a wise deal. Wassalam.